one thing am I consistent eye angoma so and me catch them say yam pese bedru baabi a yebefa phones afre yen say John Wadaroma ensu ayira fire wa ha enra a similar thing happened
Akoma FM 87.9
and me no bedi hu koma ka ho asma kiro but no pay baabi a hwe me free no let me know I Facebook Akoma 87.9 bi a friend me Kwame Apia is Arsenal for so kra kwaje we dey enra na nya asem gitu nkrofo frɛ say John what is Arsenal for agi league na me say o manje the whole person can you say Man U for yen so ya che na Man U like Arsenal dem say 22 years or say 24 years 22 years omunyi bi etinra Arsenal for agi league eti Sarah wawo
Akoma
FM 87.9 but let me know where you are watching me from and I pay. And you drop your comment on Facebook Akoma 87.9 FM. Now tell me about the situation within your area. In so na toy no. Ade na dia ba. Mijia mebie ahoma no dia mawo. Na won so akakakra. And I will tell you why mpanimfo a wo kuro yi mu. Meka kuro no a Ghana Asante Mantem ha umpatam ho pani na ho no. De nti a won fa ho. Because emra Ghana ye wo mra hodo a yenya bre atwero se engadi and development. Enji se me ko school ko sua de na me ko development studies na me hwie na betena office. Na de akere me ni se baabi a wo se ye project enu kwan se ye project baabi a wo se project ne ye ni sei a wo se ye permit na ye de mra no guide the development no ye mfa sa mra no nya adwuma a wo se me ye concerned because makosua en kroma de ba ko ha adwen pa ne se nkrofo bebre kosua de kwa kofo bebre ha wo ho kotena classroom esua de kwa ovia ni interest en odwen ho de akira no pan and you see professors bebre wo krom ha omo ye disappointed in krofo ma kiro ma de and that one I can tell you for a fact because emu be any professors ni be anya encounter people are one point to say we me kire we ade me kire we ade after education no ano no after book no so be practice law no than anim enie so be bia makan aka cho say ade we ye ni say project we ye si ha we ye de we say si ha no oboa onka
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
nti ohwemra nanim this is the law let's apply it emra no than anim also de ye adwuma onfa nya adwuma because we compromise it bibi afa ne nsem nti sometimes se wonim panifo ne bi di nkomo a obusa se pani is admitting that ade na ekoso no nye but ade pa na esi no kwan say obe apply the emra no eka no ade na esi no kwan enti menua piaga wo achima safo so hwe yen e wa achim
Akoma FM
Asafo, good morning.
87.9 Kumasi.
oba o drop your comment na wa share ma foforo nya bi ahwe no me ahu ba bi a wo hwe ye free because ene no ensuo na started to no say menu mienu ya me ani amene anya concern about how ene ma si kwa ebe ha dwen pa ena ene nso no me wo surprise bi so the mount I'll put it that way and then in the course of the program no yes we have a surprise yeah de be ma wo dwumadi yegusu a yekọ animu and wait for it
Akoma FM 87.9
just wait for it
Kumasi.
good driver ni a also so number here AS 465-18 ufra promase eba tech junction anopai you are live trotro wo mo te trotro mu tie me nua mo te trotro mu also you concerned about development course within your area also you concerned also mo ni da ho me say after a net program no you would appreciate why say ye ginu mpota mu ho ho a eho hia ye
87.9 Kumasi.
because radio ye ba radio so a ye betena radio so a yesu ye ka stakeholders a omoboa ma mpuntu ekoso and a reference any the ekoso angoma so this is it an area yaka ho asem consistently ma catch them say yenim wofa yenim sewa me furu ba soro ha na wutie mi a menim wofa o me wi anu afre me na yedim komo nua. You get it? But me frustro ha. Enye nua asem. Sometimes you fru ha man crofo send message. Say John, to bu ase. Asem ba nyabotre. And you see the fact of the matter is that ye wie na se me ade no a eni kwan se koso. Na maboa ma na koso. Na nipa kowu. Na nipa sofa. Ade na menya. Ade pa na menya. Edi so obi to office so at your municipal or district or metropolitan assembly. No fam mra na nya adwuma. E wo se ha me. I wo se ha me. Menua prophet
Akoma FM
see Eagle Eye.
87.9 Kumasi.
I say good morning, Professor John. We show live from Banko Ashanti Ewo Kumawu constituency. And you see, so we shut down where ya. You realize that ensuwa no masia kakra and efro kosro. Just close to this building and Ankrofo. Sa penny ya make kanasemi. Medika catch and obiani ho obetima dispute the fact. Because omo more for Krom enim this man. From the MC Ekokosi engineer owo for Krom. Ekokosi Nadmo coordinator owo for Krom. Omo nim this man doing this project. Enti me Mrs. Sadat why adwuma bebre ami abona baso okroma. But you see, sani pano ye adwuma me abona baso oye from so ba ye ka kire no. That is why I me last time me catch and say me di kan akọ nanbofo ha ko ka bibia kire because omo de omo sign agency o say ho reserve area and nkrofo ko bu atofam obi abu atofam so o sidan asinsuom. This is it. Maka nano ya wada ye hyase on Monday me catch am say me ti ha nkrofo be frɛ me ensuo beto nkrofo be frɛ me and no kwasem nkrofo frɛ me nra mama kasem we nkyerɛ. You see, we cannot just developer untimi sɔre prɛko pɛ sɛ okɔ akɔyɛ development. So be development a was sɛ wo sɛ nipa no wo consider say you go to the assembly ukoje permit no. The process is that your committees ahodo a omo assembly ho a also mba be hwɛ say adwuma na wo ye no, is it in line with the plan of the assembly? Is it in line with the plan of the assembly? Say any the plan of the assembly mo a also almost stop the project, you know. In fact, let me tell you that the district assembly will to me say project awo ye no wa anye ni year obetima demolish it. Enti show Ghana hamra miensa within your development, within your local and decentralization development ye no. This amra ya ye edi ato ho and obi be hye mra na nima pia mra na to nche say me de me mfa nye hye because me interest first. Jerry John Osusafo o hye me ewo tafo your father for all. Good morning. And to look at this, emra ni bini Local Governance Act 2016 Act 936 eye emra eboa yen in our local governance and how our decentralization yeah development. Let's establish that. And okay, we are closer to our phone and now our laptop. You can Google and then read this act.
87.9 Kumasi.
Your Land Use and Spatial Planning Act 2016 Act 925. Samra no so no aba to complement emra in a plan, in a development agenda. That is what enti say I was dan we si ha, I was say we kwa ha, I was say we fa ha. Je wo mra a kire yen si yenye sa adwuma no. Ye wo land use and spatial planning regulations 2019 LI 2384. You see say okasa mra we nyina bomu a. Ye chane say I was say guide yen in our plan. In our development, I was say guide yen. But you see Samra way, Eddie, Oko assemblies are hold on, institutions are hold aba, departments are hold aba, assemblies CB. Your the spatial planning committee, your physical planning development, your works department, your technical committee. Omunyina no, omajuma omu ya say obinti mi en ma permit, obinti mi nye development. Abra. Sa process I dey to say request for permit ye be ba inspection ye be inspection we are now fe ye the report na Akoma committee the special planning committee no uko assembly no a emra no say emra no say the district municipal or the metropolitan chief executive and the chair the committee. Listen well, a municipal a district, municipal, metropolitan chief executives, and a chair this committee. Just on one pet, and my whole can say, let's allow an army and Kasami Pemuno, my mobile can say, or no and chair committee. No. But I'm running or no and a chair committee. Now, what they do is that Sebastian see a permit, see a monitor everything. Committee, no, ever say. Bibia ye kama na ye ti krom ha yi enkrofo nsu oyiri fa nkrofo da bia ye ka se nsu oyiri fa nkrofo yi eye ye dwuma ye nye ni yie ena amasa de we aba ye ka ama nkrofo ahu. Now let's look at it, the composition of the spatial planning committee. So committee ye kan wasem a maka say DCs, MCs and a chair that committee. Just walk us on pet bibinti. Now or no as chairperson. No, where in the 2 minutes they are more be said go and chair the committee. We have the coordinating directors. We have physical planning officers, head of works department, development planning officers, head of road unit, and EPA forward rep. So listen, ye wicked as a country. We have all that. Environmental Protection Agency. You will rep from Lands Commission. We have NADMO rep. Our this committee. So our committee here, you can watch me. We have a rep on that committee. And you see, you were traditional authorities rep. Our sunti. You were him for sunti so hene. O to asase amobi. Ni ewie. Next year, see, baby, I didn't kono yam prima development koswa. This committee will look at it, scrutinize it, and look at it. We can never and ever issue a permit without going through the process. What's yadema? Etiana me yem say obi be defend say, baby, I mean your project, you know. Ehoye nsuom. I know say hoye nsuom, but hoye nsuom no. Still I mean say my project, you know. You see me what permit. No issue. I me a developer. I have secured a permit, and for that matter, I should be allowed to build. And this is it. This is one thing that in Crawford, Kromha developers ekita your permit. Ubekomu na engineers, municipal engineers, district engineers, metropolitan engineers. I compromise it that we should allow it to go on. Therefore, asama ye kanisano. Sorry, you see, the project in Koswa. Let's the assembly no. Ehunu say project no. One. Say what see without permit. Say baby I will sit down. Uye project no unsafe. Baby I will ye adwuma no be obstruct public work. Baby a wo ye adwuma no ebrichi the planning and environmental laws are assembly no ho kwan say obubu or demolition. But in this country, yatenam yewom yatena se din ama sa nema we nyina akoso.
87.9.
I am making reference to Nra call me nyaye. And now let me have that video. Any pamiensa Nra, they were trapped. Ewo atafua. And I want you to watch the video. Maybe I saw the video. No, the entire some of us. Eya ni enia bre. Ye kra ni enia bre saying the yaman mra assembly na yama ye de mra to me yaman say prevent a disaster from happening. Organization na yaman to me NADMO any some crofo yaman to me say you should prevent a disaster from occurring. Yaba mo say to me no sa o mo nyina mo fa nya adwuma.